Next slide, please. Good afternoon. Approach of local wisdom in preserving the ancient manuscript of Nusantara, experiences of conservation practices. Next, please. Next, please. Next, please. Indonesia is an archipelago country consisting of 16,771 islands, include Bali Islands, 1,340 tribes, 718 languages. Next, please. Indonesia is also known as the Nusantara. Term Nusantara is in the Nagarakartagama manuscript, which was composed by Empu Tantular in 1365 Anno Domini during the Majapahit Kingdom. The Nagarakartagama is one of manuscript that was certified by UNESCO as Memory of the World in the 2013. Currently, the Nagarakartagama manuscript is stored in the National Library of Indonesia. Next, please. Based on the search through the available catalog, total number of the registered Nusantara manuscript is 58,947 copies. Number of Nusantara manuscript in Indonesia is 33,519 copies. Number of manuscript in National Library of Indonesia is 12,361 copies. Number manuscript in public library, museum, traditional institution, and private property is 21,180 copies. 58 copies. Number of Nusantara manuscript abroad is 25,428 copies. Next, please. Problem in the preservation of ancient manuscript of Nusantara in Indonesia are human resources, limited conservation both in quantity and quality in the conservation of ancient manuscript. University in Indonesia do not have conservation study program, so automatically there are no university in Indonesia that can produce conservators. Facilities and infrastructure. The material used in conservation activities are not yet available domestically, so most of them still need to be imported. Most library, traditional institutions, and the community do not have the work facilities and materials for implementation of manuscript conservation. Method. The diversity of manuscript and types of damage requires different method in handling them. The method of repairing a manuscript will depend on type of damage, extent of damage, and the type of material the manuscript is made of. Budget. Until now, most libraries, institutions, and community that on ancient manuscript do not allocate a special budget for preservation. There need to be collaboration between manuscript owner and government institute in order to preservation manuscript. Manuscript as sacred heirlooms. Most of the community in Indonesia still consider manuscript as sacred heirlooms, so they do not dare to hold open and read them. Next, please. Type of Nusantara based on raw material. Palm leaf manuscript. Palm leaf manuscripts are made of palm leaf, Borosius flabelliferlin. Palm leaf manuscripts are carved with special tooth-colored pangot in Sundanese or rupak in Balinese. Palm leaf manuscripts are found in West Java, Banten, Central Java, Jogja, East Java, Bali, and West Nusa Tenggara. Palm leaf manuscripts do not use ink but use roasted candle nut, which are finely ground until they produce oil, which is smeared on the palm leaf sheet or blackening so that the writing will be clearly visible and well read. Palm leaf manuscripts are a traditional writing medium in the form of palm leaf, which are used to write very important knowledge, including literature, philosophy, teaching, history, and other. The script and languages used in palm leaf manuscript are usually Old Sundanese, Old Javanese, Balinese script, and Balinese languages. Tree bark manuscript. Tree bark made of bark from inner layer which not hard. The bark manuscript is made from alim bark or Aquilaria. Bark manuscripts are often found in North Sumatra. Bark manuscripts in Batak languages are also called pustaha laklak. The strip of bark can reach 15 meters long and 60 centimeters wide. Alim bark is not forked like daluang. The surface of the alim bark was smooth using ficus emelas broom leaves. When the surface is smooth, peel the wood folded like an accordion. Accordion-shaped manuscripts are characteristic of Batak manuscript. Daluang manuscript. The traditional paper that was used in Indonesia was daluang. Daluang paper is traditional paper made from plant fiber which have a rugged texture. The daluang manuscript is made from mulberry tree, Brosonetia papyrifera Ven. Mulberry trees grow naturally to height about 3 meters. The paper was used by people in Indonesia, especially on the island of Java, which developed rapidly during Islamic era as substitution for palm leaf, which was previously used as a writing medium. Daluang paper is traditional, a special paper that is made manually by hand. Apart from manuscript, daluang paper can also be made into cloth, puppet, calligraphy, decoration, fan, and so on. Currently, daluang paper is included in Indonesia intangible cultural heritage. Next, please. Oh, sorry, back. The paper used for Indonesia manuscript is European paper, plain paper, and line paper. The presentation of ancient manuscript using Western paper is 62.5%, plain paper is 2.7%, and line paper is 10.3%. Next, please. Condition of Nusantara manuscript. Damage that can occur to Nusantara manuscript including foxing, hole, stone, breathness. Next, please. Stain, corrosion, missing part, tangled. Next, please. Broken, mold, bending, damage, sellotape. Next, please. Local wisdom. Local wisdom is the way of life of a community in a certain area regarding the natural environment in which they live. The way of life is usually a way of life that has deeply rooted in the belief of people that area for hundreds of years. Local wisdom is identity of personality of nation, which cause the nation to be able to absorb and even process culture originating from outside or other nation into own character and abilities. Approach of local wisdom in preservation the ancient manuscript of Nusantara is to care for and maintain manuscript using natural or native method, technique, and materials. The Center of Preservation at National Library of Indonesia hold region manuscript preservation activities for institutions or private community who have manuscript. To conserve ancient manuscript, a local wisdom approach is used where the manuscript use can be obtained in the area of origin the manuscript, and also the method and technique used can be applied out by owner of manuscript. Next, please. Advantage preserving manuscript based on local wisdom. Raw material are easy to get. The raw material for care and maintenance of local wisdom are natural ingredients found in our environmental. The natural ingredients used are easily available, such as cloth, paper, and other. Environmental friendly or eco-friendly because it does not use chemical, care and maintenance. Material based on local wisdom are environmental friendly, do not produce dangerous residue. Not harmful to heart, has no harmful effect on the manuscript. The method does not require much expertise, equipment, and fun. Next, please. Why can original ingredient be used? Because natural ingredient produce aromatic compound. Okay. Because limited time. Next, please. Natural material that can be utilized and are commonly used in conservation of Indonesia manuscript include clove, next please. Lemongrass, next please. Candle nut, next please. Coconut leaf, next please. This technique for storage, wrap in clean cloth and wrap in cotton cloth. Next, please. Bundle of manuscript are also stored in strong, heavy wooden crate to reduce climate change, usually crate made of thick book. Storing palm leaf manuscript in pago, a special place under roof ceiling, has empirical evidence that manuscript can last for hundreds of years. Next, please. Thank you. Thank you for your attention.